Welcome. If you want to transfer data from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5, at the first you have to turn on both console, and after that we have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So at the first, let's do it on the PlayStation 5. We have to enter the settings in the right upper corner. Next we have to move for the network, and as you can see here I am connected to the TP-Link P4 network, right? So right now when we switch for our PS4, and when we enter the settings also here and check the network, and we are going to view connection status, we are in the same Wi-Fi, so right now we can simply switch to PS5 and start transfer data. So let's go it for this one, and right now we have to enter for the settings, then move for the system, and when we are in the system software we have to move right here for the backup for the data transfer, then read the description, click continue, and now we have to wait a little bit. And right now, as I said before, we have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, so now just simply click X to confirm, and right now our PS5 is looking for PS4. And as you can see right now, we have to simply tap on the power button for the 1 second until our PS4 beeps, and after that we have to release that key. Okay, and right now we are able to select data that we want to transfer. So for example, I'm going to move FIFA 20 data, and when you select it you have to go next, and after that we will get another window when we are able to send games. So let's go here, and I think that we can send maybe this one, Need for Speed. It's around 20 gigabytes of this data, so it will take some time. Of course you can select all of these games by clicking right here, but let's focus on this one. It's only an example, so we don't want to wait that much, and then if you select it, go for the next. As you can see, there we get the notification that the estimated time is around 1 minute, but it's not correct, and I will show you why after that 1 minute. So be patient and simply click on the start transfer. Okay, and as you can see, our PS4 is going to be restarted, so right now we are waiting also for the PS5. The process is also make it to automatically restart, and it's very important to don't unplug the AC power from our PS5. Okay, and here we are. Right now we have to press the PS button on our controller. Okay, I don't want to update the software right now, so just skip this way. Let's go for the remind me later. Let's log into our account, and as you can see right now, this game is not available, right? So as I said before, the notification was incorrect, because when we enter the settings right now and we go for the system and the same way for the data and the transfer, and when we click continue, as you can see, data is already being transferred in the background, right? So until that we have to wait, and you can check it right here. Press the PS button, and yeah, here we get this notification. There we got in the download and the uploads the transfer time. So it was 1 minute, but the true it is around 39 minutes left until this Need for Speed game transfer. So that's how we can transfer data from PS4 to PS5. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!